Good PM. Today is Thursday, January 4, 2024, and here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SLs for 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Thursday, January 4, 2024. Here are the SLs for 3 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Fiona Trading Supply Corporation for Thursday, January 4, 2024. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for January 4, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.